Stunning interior decorations from waste. Would you have thought of that? Before you toss out that butter tub or coffee can, consider giving them a second life. These guides might just spark some inspiration for you. In reality, we can create incredible things from what many would simply discard without a second thought. Check out these 40 incredibly clever ideas for breathing new life into old and broken items, turning them into something beautiful and amazing. Many old and seemingly unusable items can also be found in the basement. Be sure to also explore 40 gorgeous garden decorations and ideas on how to repurpose what the basement has to offer. If you don't have old items at home, there are certainly many places in your area where you can easily come across such materials. Share your ideas with us in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now, let's dive into it.